Hey, what's up guys? Back already. So if you guys have been following along my other videos, I did show a quick preview of what's going on next. And I figured I'd do another video just for documentation purposes on the start of flower of the next round. This is an exotic Genetix Runtz Buttonz Pheno hunt. It's got Runtz Buttonz, which is rainbow chip crossed with Runtz. And then I got a few bonus seeds from a guy off of Instagram, some banana kush. It's supposed to be an old school S1. We'll see how it turns out. It's supposed to be real dank. But yeah, really excited for the Runtz Buttonz Pheno hunt. Just wanted to make this video because I just started flowering yesterday, literally as soon as I pulled out the other plants to dry. These ones are just ready to go. So here they are. Let's look at the tags so we can check them out later on if need be. We've got in the corners here Banana Kush 3, the back left Banana 1, the back right must be Banana Kush 2, and then up here Runtz 1, 3, 4, 6, 5, and then 2 in the back middle. Looked at them closely. They all seem to have pre-flowers. No obvious weird things going on with that. Did a good lollipopping about a week ago. Just got about 4 or 5 tops on all of them. We'll see at the end of week 1 here if I'm gonna strip them down a little bit lower. Mixed in 2 tablespoons per gallon of the 444 dry organic nutrients, and then fed at 1.8 EC right before, the day of start of flower. And yeah, they're looking pretty good. A little bit of burning on 1 or 2 of them, but that's fine. I'd rather avoid the start of flower top yellowing if I can. And they're all in 3-gallon pots in the Pro Mix this time. Got some Pro Mix HP Plus or something like that. It's got some, I don't know, it's supposed to suppress fungus gnats. So that was one of the things I read on it. So I was like, okay, let's try it. It's got a lot of perlite. Looks pretty good so far. Seems to take the water a little bit better when dry compared to the Sunshine Mix number 4. But we'll see how it does against the fungus gnats and how often I have to water. I think it'll be pretty similar. So far, so good. Just a quick update. Just wanted to document the start of the flower. Alright guys, see you next time.